Like, look. I was gonna cry. Like, the highlight in this palette is amazing. Okay. Hey amazings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karess. In today's video I am doing I'm actually reviewing the Morphe 39S such as a gem palette. This palette came out I think about a week or 2 weeks ago and I finally got my hands on it. So this is the 39S such a gem palette. This palette is described as 39 shades for your lavish lifestyle. Meet your bejeweled bestie. Use the matte, shimmer, metallic, and glitter finishes to luxe up your face and eye looks. Then swipe onto the supersized gel-like shades for a flashy highlight or next level eye topper. So you have 32 rich, vibrant shades. 14 are matte, 14 are shimmer, 1 is glitter, and 3 are satin. Then you also have 7 supersized silk toppers, a mix of finishes from sheer to glitter. Morphe claims that they are using a new formula for the silk toppers. This palette is so massive. There are many looks you could do with this palette. The looks are endless. So I think I'm going to try to give you guys about 2 looks with this palette. 2 to 3 looks. So I can show you the versatility with it. Yes, there's a lot of purples and pinks in it, but I think I can give you a different, like a very calm and subtle look using like the browns and stuff. So we'll see. Alright, so first we're gonna start off with like the brown shade. I'm going to go into the color Decent AF. This color is described as a matte chocolate caramel. And I'm just going to put this on the outer portion of my eyes. Alright, so now I'm about to go into the color Fame Game. Fame Game is a matte black walnut. And I'm going to do a hollow eye look. I'm going to actually take the Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha, and I'm going to put it right in the center of my eyes. So I'm going to use my finger to basically blend it out. Next up, I'm going to take the color Super Swangy, and I'm going to put it right in the center. Super Swangy is a matte latte. I'm not doing any sweeping motions or anything like that. I'm just going to pat it right in the center. Next up, with my finger, I am going to take the color Show Off, and I'm going to tap it onto my eyes. The color Show Off is described as a bronze flame glitter, and I believe the best way to apply it is with your fingers. Then I'm going back into the color Fame Game, and I'm just going to blend it in. Alright, so I'm going to highlight my face. I am going to take this color Catch the Light and Bling Things. And I'm just going to put it here. Catch the Light is a white gold silk slip topper. Bling Thing is a rose silk slip topper. I'm going to take the Bling Thing and Catch the Light right in the center of my nose. For blush, I'm using Morphe's 8W Warm Palette, and I'm using the color MUA. I'm lining my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. And then I apply some Fenty Beauty's lip gloss. This is in Fussy. Off camera, I do apply the Morphe setting spray all over my face. And this is look 1. It's very subtle. It's neutral. I love it. It's cute. So this is look 1. We're gonna jump right into look 2. I'm gonna take the color Very Good, and I'm gonna use this as my transitioning color. Very Good is described as a matte hot pink carnation. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the color Why Not. Why Not is a matte mulberry wine. And this on the outside of my crease. And I'm brushing it in. So now it's time to cut the crease. I am taking the same Morphe concealer. I'm not sure what color it is again. I think it's C1.25. I think that's the color. Now I'm going to take the color Hair for It, and I'm going to pat it on right into the center of my eye. Actually closest to the tear duct. Because I didn't realize it was this bright. This color is described as a holographic peony silk slip topper. Ritzy Rose, and I'm gonna put it right in between these two colors. This is described as a shimmering strawberry frost. Now it's time to wipe off the excess powder. And what I'm going to do is take some concealer just to clean it up. I'm gonna come back after I did my eyelashes and mascara. Alright, so the glue is still drying on the eyelashes. I just add some milk and my X eyeliner underneath my eyes to make it look a little brighter. Now I'm going to use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Darling Night. And I'm just going to line my lips with it. To take the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, and this one is in the color Gradient. I'm going to take the color Blackberry, which is this color here, which is really dark. So now I'm going to highlight. I am going to use the Bretman Rock palette with Morphe. This is Babe in Paradise, and I'm going to use the color Chi-Ho palette. I'm going to go back into the 39S palette, and I'm going to take the color Hair for It, and I'm going to add it right on top of the Chi-Ho. Now I'm going to take the Morphe lip gloss and the color After Party. So this is a bonus look. I am going into the color Bougie, and I am placing this as my transitioning color. Bougie is a matte tropical hibiscus. I'm taking the color Make It Rain, and I'm using this on the outer portion of my eyes. Make It Rain is a matte royal indigo. Now I am cutting my crease. I am using the Morphe concealer. The color I'm using now is called, it's Violet. It's a sheer summer violet shimmer. Now I'm taking Lavender, which is a sheer icy lavender shimmer, and I'm also taking the color Hair for It, which is a holographic Now to line my lips, I take the NYX Suede's Matte Lip Liner, and this one is Hooked on Love. Moving right along, I take the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Gloss, and this one is in Cocoa K. Alright everyone, so this basically concludes this review on this palette. I gave you 3 looks. I was only going to give you 2, but I waited a few days and I decided to put this one in, and this one is definitely hands down my favorite. Overall, I think the palette is amazing. Every color in there, well, all the colors that I use were pretty good. The only thing I would say is some of the colors in there have really bad fallout. Not really bad, but there is some fallout from some of the colors in there, especially like the glitter and the shimmer colors. If you use it, I would say put some powder underneath the eye, so after you get done with the makeup look, you can just brush it away. The colors are pigmented. Morphe products to me are like one of the best, and it's not that expensive. That's why I usually go with them, because their stuff is so amazing. Like, look at this eye look. Look at this eye look. You can get so many looks from this palette. The looks are endless. I gave you a neutral eye, I gave you more of a burgundy eye, and now I'm giving you a pink purple eye. Like, the looks in this palette is endless. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup review. If you did, please thumbs it up. Also comment down below and let me know which look was your favorite and what you would like to see from me in the future. Subscribe. It's free, so you should be subscribed to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Also like and share this video. So comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.